Why did you give up on your dream? Why did you settle? Why? Why did you let that dream go? The dream that meant so much to you. Why did you let it go?
Welcome back, everybody, to the DCP channel. I am DCP. I wake up every morning during the week at 3:30 a.m. Sure, you may call me crazy, but I enjoy what I do. Start my day off with a little bit of coffee, get the brain moving. I enjoy a nice, bold cup of coffee, a little bit of half and half. There's nothing better to me to get my day going. That sound of the coffee brewing in the morning makes it all worth it. Once I got my coffee, it's time to get to work. I go into my office, sit down at my desk, and it's time to get something accomplished. Around 6 o'clock, I have to get on the road to go to work. This is one of the roads that I take on my way to work every day. And I am thankful that I get to see the sunrise every day of the week. It's refreshing, it's colorful, it's bright, and it starts me off on the right foot every day. You may ask yourself, why do you get up at 3:30 a.m. every day? Well, I like my hobbies. I get up, I edit videos, I create videos, I maybe play a little video games, who knows? But that early in the morning, I'm driven to do what I love. So back when I was a personal trainer, I was going for a kettlebell certification. And one of the things you had to do in order to pass this kettlebell certification was what's called an RKC snatch test. You have to take a 53-pound bell and do 100 snatches in less than 5 minutes. Now, you're going to see a little time lapse here of what it looks like. But I will say one thing. Things like this are humbling. This particular example is a very tough test. It takes mental endurance. It takes physical endurance. It takes strength. You have to break through the barriers in your mind in order to get through it. You need determination. You get about halfway done, you can't breathe. The weight is getting heavier by the rep. Your muscles are starting to hurt. Your grip strength is decreasing by the minute. And it feels like the heaviest weight in the world. But I'll tell you one thing. When I would do these tests, no one could stop me. You need the mental fortitude to get it done. Focus. You think it might be easy, but until you're in the moment, it's definitely not. You have to want to be better than your best. Don't let anyone stop you, including yourself. You need to want it more than everyone else. You think I got it done? You better believe it.